Industrial parts washing unit with rotating drum TDEM 040222. After disassembly of electric motors, a number of small parts must be cleaned and rinsed. In the catalog of LLC Trading House ELECTROMASH, these tasks are carried out by the TDEM 040250 and 040222 washing unit. The TDEM 040222 washing unit is designed for washing small parts in a heated washing solution using a rotating drum. The washing units we supply are successfully used and operated in the electrical workshops of oil and gas companies such as Rosneft and Surgutneftegas, in the repair and mechanical workshops of Rosatom, as well as in other diversified industries where cleaning of various parts is necessary. TDEM 040222 washing unit consists of a tank with drive gear that can hold up to 200 liters of cleaning solution, drive gear motor, a washing drum with the ability to accommodate parts for washing with a total weight of up to 60 kilograms, control panel on which there is a toggle switch for switching to automatic or manual mode of the washing drum rotation, as well as buttons start and stop of the drum movement. To work, it is necessary to check the cleaning solution level and top up if necessary. The level should be 50 to 100 mm higher than the drum shaft supports. Turn on the heating 2 to 2.5 hours before the start of washing. Load the washing drum up to 20 to 30% of its volume. Close the washing drum cover. Using lifting devices, lower the washing drum into the tank. The cleaning solution must be preheated to 80–90 degrees Celsius. After the end of washing cycle, turn off the drum rotation drive, open the tank lid, lift the drum and hold it over the tank to drain the cleaning solution. Unload the washing drum. After finishing work, turn off the cleaning solution heating. Taking into account an individual approach to each of our orders, LLC Trading House ELECTROMASH will consider your terms of reference for the manufacture of washing and other electrical repair equipment, with different parameters from those proposed on our website, taking into consideration various climate environments, including tropical. The equipment supplier for mechanization, repair, process automation and testing of electric motors, ELECTROMASH Trading House. ELECTROMASH Trading House, your reliable choice.